Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we will be learning how to accept a gift in Merge Gardens. First of all, launch open the Merge Gardens application on your device and make sure that you're inside the main home page. Once you're inside, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the top right corner from your home screen. From the expanded menu, click on Friends. Inside Friends, look for Inbox button at the top and tap on it. Browse through the list and locate the gift you want to accept. To accept the gift, tap on Accept. You'll then be able to accept the gift that you've received in your inbox. And that's it. Accepting gifts in Merge Gardens is easy and helps you grow your garden faster. Keep checking your inbox daily so you don't miss out on rewards from friends. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.